Alright, so today, papanoorin naman natin yung request ng ating mga bagong master. Master, kung bago ka, welcome sa'yo. At ito na yung request mo, kung ano request nyo mga master. So this is Beanie, a Golden Arrow live on Wish 1075 Bus. Kasi napanood na natin yung music video nito today, Wish Bus naman, para makita natin yung kanilang mga vocals talaga, no? Let's go. Umpisahan agad yan, pre. Alright.
Alright.
Ganda ni ma'am.
Hey, yeah.
Wait lang, parang delay yung aking hayop na na audio. Alright. Delay pa rin. Ano ba? Ang pangit. Bakit?
1075.
Think I've lost my keys again. Madness out the door.
Man. Alright.
It's a Friday night. I'm wishing for a little more.
Bro.
Under streetlights, 8 p.m. Let's make this one count. No one else but me and my kills when in this whole town.
Grab the ice cream, go turn the clock. Dance till midnight, nobody knocks.
Ang ganda ni ma'am. Alright, wait lang. Bakit parang, di ba walo sila? So, apat-apat yung nila, yung pag-perform. Magkaiba yung, iba nga so, ibang set? Paano? Inedit lang, no? Alright, so hindi sila pwedeng magsamang walo dyan kasi masikip, pero alright, sige. Ganda ng pagka-set up.
Let's go.
Let's go! The voicing, pre.
Think I've lost my keys again. Madness out the door.
Man.
It's a Friday night. I'm wishing for a little more.
Pre, I like that. I like that. Gusto ko yung versatility nito ni ma'am. Ano mapangalan nito? Maganda yung high notes at saka low notes niya, no? Napakabuo nung high at saka low note niya. Pakinggan. Ang sarap, pre,
Think I've lost my keys again. Madness out the door. It's a Friday night. I'm wishing for a little more.
Bruh.
Under streetlights, 8 p.m.
Hey.
Let's make this one count. No one else but me and my kills when in this whole town.
Right.
Grab the ice cream, go turn the clock. Dance till midnight, nobody knocks.
Everybody
Ganda niya.
watch out, the storm is coming your way.
Hey.
Warning signs and flashing lights, all of the cliches.
Klaro pa yung niya dito. Bakuna ni ma'am,
This moment's in our heads.
Alright.
Got nothing to worry about, time to take a chance.
I like her.
We got tonight to borrow. We got this
Pre. Okay, rinig ko yung harmonization nila doon. Ang sarap pakinggan. Tapos meron doon, ikaw. Ang ganda ng harmonization dito, pare. Kahit walo sila, alright? Or apat lang sila nag-harmonize sa part na to. Pero, nevertheless, ang angas nung, nila, pag-voicing nila doon. Meron talaga man eh. Ang ganda nung grit nito. Ni ma'am. Hey. Ang voicing pre, ang ganda.
I like
Fuck
it.
man, wait lang. Ang ganda nitong naka-yellow. Anong pangalan nito? What the F, man? Anong pangalan nito ni ma'am? What the F? Alright, let me breathe. Hintayin, hihinga muna ako kasi nagulat. Ang ganda niya, pre. Alam mo yung ang pagka eroplano. Ang ng mukha ni ma'am, napaka-vibrant, napaka-brilliant na mukha niya. Tsaka ang ganda niya parang nasa innocent side ng ganda eh. Alam mo yun, tingnan mo parang dalagang Filipina yung kanyang itsura dito. Na mesmerize lang ako ng konti. Wow! Nga aso. May aso. Hey, eto, let's go. Ang ganda mo, ma'am. Let's go.
I like it.
I like it too.
Let's go. You
Hey.
can bet we own the world. Crown is on our
Alright, bulok ang audio. Ang audio ko, hindi pala audio, yung gadget ko bulok, nagde-delay. Okay?
Go check out the rules and see nothing to be
Oh, may dimple siya. Ooh! Pre, gusto ko yung ano niya. Ano to siya? Alto. Alto to si ma'am ito. Angas ng low note niya. Alright. Bakit nagde-delay kasi yung hayop na ano ko eh. Oh, ito na. Ito, ganda ng boses to ni ma'am. Ay, ito. Pre, bombo. The low notes.
Ice cream, go turn the clock. Dance till midnight, nobody knock.
Ang lakas ng appeal no ni ma'am. Hey. Man, on point. Huh? Pansin ko lang to si ma'am, ito siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya ha. Sobrang ganda ng itsura niya. Medyo stiff lang yung ano niya dito, parang ganun talaga. Parang di siya loose lang, alam mo yun. Medyo stiff siya dito. Pero ang ganda ng boses niya ha, tsaka ang ganda niya. Medyo stiff lang yung katawan niya dito, parang seryoso masyado, no? Alam mo? Medyo stiff lang siya. Yung iba kasi nakaganito, ganito lang yun. Bruh! Man. Ang ganda ng voicing, pre.
Gotta take a minute, gotta catch my breath. I don't care about these limits, ready for your test. I got no time for nothing else. I got beauty, got strength. I'm the beast on my belt.
Bruh. Seryoso to si ma'am, oh.
Be wasted, yeah, I'm pushing and pushing when I'm on the edge. Fighting and fighting till I got nothing left. I get it, just be careful, just ignore your bad energy. Nobody can stop me, it's a star belongs to me. I place the crown on my head and told myself, this is my shot. Watch me, I can make it, I can stride. Working hard to get to the top. Hope is on that horizon, what mean you ain't gonna stop. Take your aim, make your mark, fix your eyes on the prize. And stop believing, hold the feeling, this far within. It's why we're born to win.
Wait lang. Hindi ako magtataka kung yung last na nag-rap is yung main rapper nila kasi she got the grit. Alam mo yung character nandun sa kanya parang sa pagiging rapper kasi you need that, yung parang may emphasis tsaka may asong kumakahol sa background. Yun ang pinaka maganda sa music video na to, yung yun. Ngayon pa kayo kakahol. Kanina hindi naman ako nagre-record. Pero ang ganda nung niya, yung character ng boses ni Ma'am Don, tsaka yung pag-rapping skills niya, tsaka yung talaga, yung grit niya. Maganda. Let's go. High notes, pare. Man. Alright. Ganda. High notes din. These girls are serious. These girls are freaking serious about their vocals. Kasi sa mga ganitong grupo, pre, lalo na 8 sila. This is really hard to do. Siyempre, grupo kayo, madali. Ano ba naman yung parang medyo may isang, alam mo yun, may isang medyo maiba, yung parang di siya masyadong makasabay, or you know what I mean? Kasi madami, parang medyo matatago mo yung iba or yung isa, gano'n ba? Pero this group is impeccable individually. Sobrang galing nila. Talagang on point lahat ng vocals dito. Wala akong naririnig na kahit anong downfall dito. Puro magaganda, puro magagaling. What the F? This is a perfect group, pre. Honestly, pre, sobrang dami para sa akin nung 8, pero they proved that. Fuck it. I don't freaking care kung ilan kami. We are a unit. We move as one, and sinasampal nila tayo ng katotohanan na we can do this shit. Diba? Let's go. Yun na pakinggan ko rin. Alright. That was it. golden arrow sa tumbong ng mga ayaw maniwala, no, sa P-pop generation ngayon, which is, man, we are here. Diba? Ito na yun. Pare, golden arrow, pre. Tirahin mo na yung mga ayaw maniwala, no? But this is amazing. Honestly speaking, I am blown away by the individual vocals of these girls, these masters of their own craft. And bukod pa dun sa mga individual shit nila sa vocals, yung ano nila, yung boses as a group is there talaga, no? 'Di ba, puta? May paano, konyo is there talaga ang putik. Nandun talaga, sinasabi ko na buong buo yung kanilang ano. I didn't expect that. In a group of 8, imagine that, in the group of 8, 'di ba? So, yeah, that's amazing. So, kung gusto mo pa makapanood ng Bini contents, comment ka and subscribe kasi madami pa yan dito, Master. Yun lang, maraming salamat. This has been Curbs PH and you have been amazing.